بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So let's continue from the second part of the lesson number 9. This is the continuation of the lesson, the first part of the lesson number 9. As I said, the lesson was divided into two parts, part A and then the part B. So as you can see here, we're looking at the second part. So we looked at the first part, completed, and then here we are continuing from the second part. And just, it's not anything strange, just what we were learning. The na'at and then the al-man'ut, the adjective and then the qualified noun. And I hope you can still remember the 4 rules that we saw. We talked about the 4 rules that were governing the na'at and then the man'ut. And I said put those rules at your fingertips. You need it as we go. So let's read here. Ayn al-mudarrisu. Where is the mudarris? Huwa fil fasl. Huwa fil fasl. He's in the classroom. He's in the classroom. Al-fasl is called classroom. Classroom. Al-fasl is called classroom. Okay. It is also, let me say something small about it. In the Quran, it also comes, for example, you see Yawmul Fasl. Yawmul Fasl. Judgment Day is referred to Yawmul Fasl. It is so because Fasl is actually from when it is describing a particular scenario where things are separated. For example, it's coming from the verb Fasala. Like I said, if you go to any school, they don't just take the students and put them together in one classroom. I hope you can observe. In a school, they don't just take the students and put them in one classroom. They divide the classrooms based on levels. So you see, as I said, they take the students and divide them into classrooms based on their levels. It's not every student who is at the same level, so they divide them. So when this word comes, fasl, it always comes with the motion or with the description, with the scene of something being divided, put into categories based on certain, criteria. So that's why Judgment Day is also among the names of Judgment Day. This name is also part, Yawmul Fasl. And it gives the scenario. We have seen it a lot. All of us have, as we have been reading in the Quran. I and you, we have been seeing, people will be into categories in Judgment Day based on their, there will be separation. There will be separation based on ranks. Of the Sabiqun, Ashabul Yamin, Ashabul Shimal. You have been reading all this. So that's the motive, or that's the sin that this word is depicting. So I'm just trying to bring it up. If you see it in the Quran, Yawmul Fasl, know that it is given that sin of division on Judgment Day. So that's why it is also used for just classrooms. Like in a school, as I said, the students have been divided into categories based on levels. Like senior high school 1, class 1, class 2, class this. Okay. So let's continue. Where's the new teacher? There's a particular new teacher. They can't find him. They're asking for him. So where's the new teacher? He's at the principal's, or is with the principal. Inda is something that it depends on the sentence. It could have different, meanings depending on the sentence in which it found itself. But here, just know it means at or with. Who are in the model? He's with the principal, right? أين الطالب الجديد? أين الطالب الجديد? Where is the new student? ذهب إلى المكتبة. This is a new word we have came across. مكتبة إلى المكتبة. Maktabatun is the library where you go and sit down and read. The library is called maktabatun. So it is similar to maktabun. Maktabun is the table. If you just add ta marbuta to it, maktabatun, it will mean a library. Okay. Of course, a table cannot have a masculine table and a feminine table. So the ta marbuta just make it a different word altogether. A library and then a table. So man ذلك الرجل الطويل الذي خرج الآن من المدرسة. Man, listen, a long sentence. Take your time and let's translate it. Man ذلك الرجل. Who is that man? ذلك الرجل. So this is Na'at. Who is that man? الرجل الطويل. So this is a Na'at, right? This is Na'at and this Man'ut. So as we said, you can remember the rules. Alif wa lam. This is also having alif wa lam. This is having one dhamma. This is having one dhamma. And this is rajulu. This is a man, right? So not tuwilatun. If you were to be female, you have atta marbuta tuwilatun. But here you are talking about a man. So tuwilun, a masculine adjective is used. So one. Alif wa lam. Masculine. Singular, one. Rajul, one man. Tuwil, one adjective. Okay, allazi. So this is a new word. Allazi, who. Kharaja al-ana, who left. Kharaja, you can remember. Or who went out now. Min al-madrasati, from the madrasati. So they are asking man who. Who is that man who left? Who is that tall man who left or who went out now from the school? Now, allazi. Let's talk a little bit about it. Allazi is a new word we have came across. So observe here. Allazi. I hope you can see it. Allazi here. Allazi is what we call a relative pronoun in English. A relative pronoun. For example, you see the man who is sitting there. The man who is sitting there. So the who is a relative pronoun. It refers back to the man. We're talking about someone. The man who is. So that who is referring back to the man. I hope that is clear. So who is sitting there? So that in Arabic, that's what we call allazi. Allazi who. So relative pronoun allazi, if it refers to human being, it is translated to mean who, right? Who. But it could also mean which. It has two meanings, who and the which. Who and the which. So when it is used for human being, it means who. But if it is used for non-living things or animals, gairu akil, since that doesn't have, akil, reason, akil don't have the ability to reason, it will mean which. For example, you are saying the pen which is on the table. You won't say the pen who is on the table, of course. Who is for living, human beings. But you will say what? The pen which is on the table. So, which and who are both relative pronouns. And both is represented by allazi in Arabic language. So if it refers, they are talking about allazi, if it refers to human being, it is translated to mean who, or it means who. And if it refers to an animal or thing, it means which. So for example, الرجل الذي خرج من المسجد الآن تاجر شهير. The man who went out. So you see who, the man who went out min al masjid, from the masjid al-an, now, right now. Al-an, now. Tajirun shahirun is a famous merchant. You see, it's a famous merchant. But observe here, al-baytu allazi is the same word, but it is used for al-baytu, the house. The house is gairu akil, so it can reason. In non-living thing. Al-baytu allazi amam al-masjid, the house which is in front. So which is, we don't say about the house who is in front, no. So when it's used for non-living things, it will mean which, but not who. So al-baytu allazi amam al-masjid lil imami. So the house which is, so you see which is amama, in front. Amam al-masjid, in front of the masjid. Lil imami is for the imam. The house which is in front of the masjid belongs to the imam. I hope that is clear. So allazi means who for human beings and which for non-living things or living things or even animals. Okay, I hope that is clear. So let's continue. So they were saying من ذلك الرجل الطويل الذي خرج الآن من المدرسة. Who is that long, tall, someone who is tall, I mean in height, of course. Who is that tall man? الذي who خرج, who went out now from the school. هو المدير الجديد. He's the new principal. ومن الولد الصغير الذي خرج الآن من الفصل. And who is that small boy? الصغير, small. الولد, the boy or the child. من الولد الصغير, who is that small boy? خرج الآن من الفصل, who went out now from the fasl, the classroom. So here, هو ابن. You say هو ابن. Please, we have studied this thing previously, so I don't want you to call it huwa ibnu. This is called hamzatul wasl. You can remember hamzatul wasl, and I told you you are always going to what? Jump it, and then you will take it to where the school is. So you take the pronunciation to where the school is. So you are going to pronounce it to be what? How are you going to pronounce? Huwab, not huwa ibnu, no. Huwabnul mudiril jadidi. Huwabnul mudiril jadidi. Studied hamzatul wasl wa hamzatul qata. Okay. So nuwasil, we have another. It continues here. لمن تلك السيارة الجميلة. For who? You can remember lam al-mulk. For who? Or belongs to who? تلك السيارة الجميلة. That beautiful car. That beautiful car. So you see, it obey all the rules. Alif walam, ta marbuta, one doma, one. I mean maharifa, one doma, one. Sayaratun is just one. Jamilatun is just one. Okay. To who belongs that beautiful car? This one. Here للمدير الجديد. Here للمدير الجديد. It belongs to the new principal. لمن هذا الكتاب الكبير. أهو للمدرس. Is it for the مدرس? لا. هو للطالبة الصغيرة. هو للطالبة الصغيرة. It belongs to the female student, the small female student. أين الملعقة الصغيرة. Where is the small spoon? The small spoon. Here في الكوب. It is in the cup. The كوب is the cup. Or here في الكوب. It is in the cup. I hope you are observing, as we are going, we are observing that the na'at and the man'ut, we are observing how the rules are being obeyed. If you are given an exercise, try to do it very well. Aina al-kursiyul maksuru. Where is the broken chair? So you see, kursiyul maksuru. Al-kursiyul maksuru. The broken chair. So the adjectives should take the form in which the noun is coming by having alif walam, one doma, alif walam, one doma, no ta marbuta, singular, doma. Okay. Huwa hunaka. It is there, far away. Huna means here. Hunaka means there. Hunalika means over there, far away. When there is lam added. Huna. Yes. Huna. You can see I'm pointing at it. Huna. Ha wa nun. Huna means here. Hunaka. with the ka added. Hunaka means there. But sometimes I hope you have been hearing hunalika. There's lam added. Hunalika. That one means far away. They are talking about something. So it means over there, very far away. We actually call it lam al-bu'd. The lam that is added. Hunalika. Hunaka is different from hunalika, but they are similar. Hunaka means there, but hunali with the lam, it means far away, over there. We're talking about a place that is far away, that is not close to you, farther than hunaka. Iqra waktub. Read and write. Read and write. So they are giving us an assignment here. Okay. So here we are going to identify the ism mawsula and what they mean. So observe, please. Observe here. الطبيب الجديد في المستشفى. The new doctor. الطبيب الجديد, the new doctor. في المستشفى is in the hospital. Mustashfa means hospital. And it is mabni. You can remember the last time. والطبيب القديم, and then the old doctor. في المستوصف. في المستوصف. Al-Mustawsafi is the what? Is the what? The clinic. Clinic. Let me come. Mustashfa, this one, it means hospital. Mustawsafi is the clinic. Mustawsaf. Mustawsafun is the clinic. Mustawsafi, because of the harf al-jar. Clinic. Al-Qalam al-Maksur, the broken chair. Sorry, the broken pen. Al-Qalam al-Maksur. The broken pen, al-maktab, is on the table. Al-mirwahatu al-jadidatu, the new fan. Mirwahatun is this one. Hazard. Let me show you so that you see. So called the mirwahatun. I hope you can see it. This one, the fan. So called mirwahatun. Okay. Al-mirwahatu al-jadidatu, the new fan. في الغرفة الكبيرة is in the big room. So you see, this one is having dhamma. The adjective is having dhamma. So that's why I say the keys ended. Here, the noun is having kesra because of the harf al-jar. So the adjective should also have kesra. Alif walam, alif walam. Tamabuda, tamabuda. So I hope you can see. Okay. اللغة العربية سهلة. الولد الطويل الذي خرج من الفصل الآن طالب من الكويت. الولد الطويل, the tall boy. الذي خرج من الفصل, who left the classroom now. طالب من الكويت is a student from Kuwait. أنا في المدرسة الثانوية. أنا في المدرسة الثانوية. I am in مدرسة الثانوية. ثانوية means senior high school. مدرسة means school. And as I said, مدرسة we have مدرسة ابتدائية, the primary school. مدرسة المتوسطة. مدرسة المتوسطة, the junior high school. Then we have Madrasatu Sanawiyatu, senior high school. So Madrasatu Sanawiyatu is the senior high school. Okay. ذهب الرجل الفقير إلى الوزير. ذهب الرجل الفقير, the poor man. So you see, الرجل الفقير, the poor man. ذهب الرجل الفقير إلى الوزير. He went, the poor man went, إلى الوزير, to the minister. Wazirun means minister, إلى الوزير, to the minister. جلس الطالب الجديد خلف حامد, the new student. طالب الجديد, the new student. جلس, sat. خلف حامد, at the back of, sat at the back of Hamid. As-Sekinu. As-Sekinu. Sekinu means what? The knife. Right? Knife. As-Sekinu, the knife. As-Sekinu al-Kabiru, the big knife. Hadun jiddan. It's very sharp. It's very sharp. Hadun means sharp. Hadun means sharp. Sharp. Hadun. Sharp. Hadun jiddan is very sharp. Okay. So this one called the mirwahatun. As you can see, mirwahatun, the fan. Okay. All you can see here. Man had, okay. Man has a waladul qasiru. Who's this short boy? This short boy. Has a waladul qasiru. Who's this short boy? Qasiru means short. Short. Someone who's short in length. Sorry, I'm saying in length, in height. In height, short. Those are qasiru. So that's the opposite of tuwilun. Tuwilun means tall. Qasirun, we just saw tuwilun. Let me show you. You can see here. At-tawilu, the tall boy, is the opposite of qasirun. Qasirun, short. Huwa ibnul, so you see, huwa ibnul mudarris al-jadidi. He is the son of the new teacher. So we have here another assignment. Okay, so here in this particular assignment, they are giving you the na'at. The na'at is provided for you, but what they want is that, as you can see here, let me make it very crisp. So you are going to fill in إملا في الفرق فيما يلي بالنعت الذي بين قوسين بعد. So what they want is that they have given you here na'at, 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 and they said fill in the blanks in each of the following sentences with the adjective given in brackets. Add alif wal lam if necessary. Actually, we are supposed to follow all the 4 rules, not just only alif wal lam. But this is just a clue that are given to you. So you have to take this adjective and fix it there. Adjective, fix it there. Adjective, fix it here. Adjective, fix it there. The one in the bracket, that's the na'at, or sifa, the adjective. So you now take it and put it, fill it in the blank. But if you are filling it, you don't just put it anyhow. You have to make sure that it go in contrary. It doesn't go in contrary with, or it doesn't violate any of the 4 rules. You have to take note of that. Okay. So this one, again, we leave it to the student to try his hands on it. Man lam yazuk, lam yarif. Whoever doesn't have a taste, he will not know, right? So please do this one. This assignment, we are giving it to the student, and we are going to provide the answer as well for you to access, so you can check. For example, those who are maybe accessing on YouTube, if you are watching this on YouTube, the answer will be provided in the description. There's a PDF, just a document where we'll provide the answers for you, so you can click on it and then you see the answers, and then maybe you compare with your answer. Okay, but let me just do the first 3 so that you see how it is done. So for example here, Aina al-mudarrisu. So if you take jadidun to bring it here, so you want to see Aina al-mudarrisu, where is the teacher? But you want to now see the new teacher. So this new, bring it here. How do you bring it? You don't just bring it in how, you follow the rules. You can see here is having alif wa lam. So definitely you have to add alif wa lam to this one. And if you, we all know that if you add alif wa lam to it now, it cannot have tanween again. So as you can see, here is having one dhamma. So you have to remove one of the dhamma here. It must go with the definite, the gender. I mean, if it, whether it's definite or indefinite, it must go with gender. The ending of the noun, the here is dhamma. So here should also be dhamma. Here is singular. So here is also singular. So here it will be Aina al-mudarrisul jadidu. Aina al-mudarrisul jadidu. Okay, here. How do you bring this one here? At-tajirul kabiru fi suki. Okay, here. Ana talibul qadimu. You see, very easy. Sorry. It seems I just added alif wa lam. I can't remember. Did I do so? Okay, so here doesn't have alif wa lam. Here is having tanween. So here should also have tanween. So you see, ana talibun qadimun. I am an old student. I am an old student. Ana talibun qadimun. You see. جلس الطالب الجديد جلس الطالب الجديد خلف محمد. You see, so that is how it will be. So you just make sure that you follow the rules. So please try your hands on it, and then you can cross-check with the answers we are going to provide. And then you can, if there's any problem, you can contact us, and then we'll make it clear. Okay. So let's see here. Ikra, read. Ikra, read. So here we are having the what's the name? The ism mawsul. The allazi is called ism mawsul, relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. So at-talibul lazi. So if it is who, we'll highlight it. If it is which, we'll highlight it again. So at-talibul lazi kharaja min al-fasl ana min Indonesia. So here means what? Who, the student who left from the class now is from Indonesia. Al-kitabul lazi. Al-kitabul lazi. The book which, not who. Al-kitabul lazi ala al-maktabi lil-mudarrisi. The book which is on the table belongs to the teacher. Liman haza al-qalamu al-jamilu allazi, which, to whom belongs this beautiful pen which is on the maktab, which is on the table. Al-baytul kabiru allazi, the big house which. So which, we are using grade, which, who, this one is who. As-sariru allazi, when you see a non-living thing, it means who, a which. The bed which, في الغرفة خالد المقصود, the bed which is in Khalid's room, mudaf ilay, maqsurun, is broken. So you see, so this, so it could mean, it could mean which, and it could mean, it could mean who, and it could mean which. Hope that is clear. So we have here I think they are giving us another assignment. Let me position it well for you to see. So this is اقرأ المثال ثم كون الجملة على القرار. So what they want is that read the examples, then make sentences on this pattern. They are giving you an example. Guess what we have done? continuation. This one is relative. I mean, it's not restricted. It depends on you. They are giving you, for example, here, Al-Kitabu Lazi al-Kursi, the book which is on the kursi, the chair. Sagirun is small. Al-Kitabu Lazi al-Maktabi Kabirun, the book which is on the table is big. So you can just make random sentences on this pattern. I hope that is clear. Okay, so this one too will provide the answer. So you have two assignments, this one and then that one. So please do it very well. Take your time. Yes, the rules we have learned, apply the rules, and then you do it. Then you can cross-check to see your answer, whether you had it correct. And if there's something you don't understand, email us. Just send that email. Inshallah, we'll respond to you. Okay. So we have here the last part here. Baytun Jadidun. We have seen this one, a new house. So Na'at or Na'atun is called the adjective. Man'utun is the noun which is qualified by the adjective. Okay. So we are almost done with the lesson. Let's look at the vocabulary then. Kalimatul Jadida, the new words that we have came across. English language. English. Al-fakihatu, the fruit. So'abun, difficult. Usfuru, al-usfuru, the spout. Al-madinatu, the city. At-ta'iru, the bird. Al-qahiratu, Cairo. Al-arabiyatu, Arabic. Al-yawma, today. You can remember fatha, when it is taking fatha, it means today. But if it is dhamma, al-yawmu, the day. The day you are talking about it, the day something happened. Al-lugatu, the language. Limaza, why? Limaza means why. It's a question. Interrogative. So for example, I think we have seen it in the lesson, Limaza. Can I remember the sentence? Okay, Limaza means why. Why? Sahlun, easy. Sahlun, easy. So sahlun is the opposite of su'abun, difficult. Sahlun, easy. Al-ku'u, the cap. Mujtahidun, hardworking. Shahirun, famous. Famous. So alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, this brings us to the end of the lesson number 9. We'll continue lesson number 10 inshallah in the next lesson. So let's end here. Jazakumullahu khairan fi hayatikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa barakallahu li wa lakum fi Qur'an hakim wa nafa'ani wa iyyakum bi ayati wa zikril hakim.